Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna talk about accounting and bookkeeping for professional freelancer industry. So this will be the few topics that we're gonna cover in this today's video. We'll start with the income tracking, then we'll go to expense tracking, then invoicing and receivables, bank reconciliations, tax compliance, budgeting and forecasting, savings and retirement planning, business metrics, record keeping, profit and loss statements. Okay, so let's start with the income tracking. In income tracking, you need to record all the sources of your income. This will include your client payments, the royalties. If you have worked on the particular projects that will be used in future, then you can have the royalties on it. Then the royalties source and any other form of compensation that you are having, that all will be calculated in income tracking. And in income tracking, you need to categorize all the income based on clients or the projects that have gained insight into the areas, uh, uh, to record all this and to categorize all this, to gain an insight into the areas what area is more profitable to you, what kind of projects that are more profitable to you. Secondly, we'll talk about expense tracking. In expense tracking, you need to record all the business expenses, such as if you are having the office, then the office supplies. If you are having some software subscription, then the software subscription expenses. Then if you are a freelancer, then you should do traveling, much of the traveling, then your traveling expenses and any other cost related to the client projects. And this will help you to claim the tax deductions and manage your cost. Okay. Invoicing and receivable. In invoicing and receivable, you'll need to create and send invoices promptly to the clients and track the status of their outstanding payments. Okay. And if you are not doing this timely, then it will be tough to manage your cash flow and if you are doing it timely, then it will reduce the risk of your late payments. Bank reconciliation. In bank reconciliation, you have to regularly reconcile your bank statement with your financial records. Okay, to see that if there is no errors or if there are any missing transactions. Okay, that all will be calculated in this bank reconciliation. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you have to stay updated with the tax obligations, including the income tax, self-employment tax, and any applicable tax that can be local or state taxes. You need to keep record of all these tax payments, and you need to file returns on time to avoid the penalties. Budgeting and forecasting. In budgeting and forecasting, you will need to develop a budget to plan out your financial goals, and you need to allocate resources effectively as per that. And forecasting will help you to anticipate your cash flow issues or plans for the future expenses. So that all will be calculated in this. Savings and retirement planning. You have to allocate a portion of your income. Like if your income is 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees, some portion of it, like 10% or 15%, 12% portion have to be transferred in your retirement account or in your savings account. This will ensure your financial security in the future or in the long term run. Business metrics. In this, you have to monitor your key business metrics, such as client acquisition cost, how much cost you are putting to have a client. Like if you are doing social media marketing, how much you are expanding on that. That all will be recorded in the business metrics. And the client retention rate, how much client want to work with you, or the client wants service from you, or he wants to complete the project with you. This also will be included in business metric. And the average project profitability, how much profitability you are having as per average of a project. This metrics will provide you an insight into the health of your freelancing business. Record keeping. In record keeping, you will need to maintain an organized record of all the financial transactions that you do, and this will include your receipts, your invoices, or if you are doing any contracts or something like that. That all will be recorded in your record keepings. And also this is very essential when it comes to audits or legal compliance. So let's touch base the profit and loss statements. In this, you have to generate a regular P&L statements to track your revenue. your expenses, and your net profit. What is your net profit that you are generating from your freelancing business? This documents will provide you a snapshot of your business financial performance, how been your freelancing work is growing, or how it's been doing through the years. So let's touch base some of the key performance indicator that shows the performance and track success of this industry. Client satisfaction. First indicator is client satisfaction. This indicator will measure the client satisfaction through surveys or feedbacks, and that will ensure that you are meeting their expectations and you are doing delivery on time, and you are also providing the quality work to them. Okay. And the second indicator is revenue growth indicator. This indicator will monitor the growth in your freelancing industry or your freelancing business, and this will monitor the income over the time to gauge the success of your business efforts. Client retention rate. This indicator will calculate the percentage of the clients who continue to hire you as for doing their additional projects, and the high retention rate will signifies your client satisfaction and their loyalty towards you. Average project profitability. This indicator will determine the average profit that you made or that you earn from a particular project. Okay, and helping you identify, and this will help you to identify which type of work are most financially rewarding to you or to your business. Utilization rate. In utilization rate, this indicator will track how effectively you are utilizing your time by comparing your billable hours, how many hours you are working, or total hours, how many hours that you have worked. Okay. Day sales outstanding. This indicator will measure the number of days it takes for a client to pay their invoices, to pay their outstanding payments. A shorter day sales outstanding will indicate your better cash flow, that you are having a better cash flow in your business. Seventh is portfolio diversification. This indicator will help you to access the variety of your clients and the projects in your portfolio to reduce your dependency on a single client or the industry. How many diverse projects that you have done, like if you are in a development business, software development business, or anything like that, how many kinds of apps that you have made, how many kinds of applications or websites that you have made will be calculated in this indicator. Return on investment indicator. This indicator will help you to evaluate the return on investment made in tools, or that you have done some marketing. If let's suppose that you have done some marketing for your business, so how much returns you have gained from that marketing or from that particular campaign. Okay. And other resources also that will ensure that you are contributing to your profitability. Earning per hour. This indicator will calculate your earnings per hour. Okay, and this will also help you to understand the efficiency and the profitability of your freelancing work. Tax efficiency. This indicator will help you to keep track of your effective tax rate and explore the strategies that will help you to minimize your tax liability and legally. So that was all for the freelancing industry, accounting and bookkeeping for freelancing industry. Here at Meru, we provide a seamless and the latest by using latest softwares. We do the accounting and bookkeeping for this industry. Thank you and have a nice day.